Hello and welcome to gui.dog. Oh yes. So just a quick one, Fastlaners. This is why you use AI to learn how to code. So I had this little problem. I'm going through Hero Dev's React Native 2025 course. It's on YouTube. I'll link it in the description. And there was a little problem, I couldn't get rid of the squiggly little red line there, and I didn't know what to do. So now I'm looking at Hero Dev's tutorial. I can't see what's wrong. It's telling me there's something wrong, but I can't work it out. Then I asked, I basically just explained with RuCode, and I asked RuCode, and I'm on, let me see what model I'm on. I'm actually on the Gwen 3235B, the one that I wasn't particularly impressed by. And then it brought up this issue here, that there's 3 quotes, but I couldn't see it in the IDE. I couldn't see it here, that quote wasn't there, this extra one. And that's the one that was causing the problem. It's something small like that will throw you off, and then you'll send you crazy for hours on end trying to work out what it is. And let's take a look here. For instance, here it said unterminated string constant, but I couldn't see it. It's actually hidden here, right here, like that. But yeah, it's right there, but I missed it. So I'm just thinking, what's wrong with it? What's happening? So I asked the AI, and it picked it up straight away and explains it there, and it explains the everything that's happening in the code right there. I'm actually on ask in RuCode, so I'm not getting it to write the code. I'm the one writing, and then it will teach me. And this is how you use AI, because to change your life, you need to change yourself. You need to add value. If you're kind of struggling and thinking to myself, why aren't I getting enough money in my bank account to be happy with? Why isn't my life changing? It's not going to happen by chance. It's going to happen by change. You improving yourself, and the way to do it is that you've got AI right there, 24/7, just like the Terminator and Terminator 2 with that's that O'Connor kid. Doesn't get angry, doesn't get tired. Any time of the day or night, you can ask it, and it will teach you, and it will tell you what's going on, and then you improve yourself by 1% every day, and you'll be 37 times better than you were a year ago if you do it every day for a whole year. So yeah, so that's how to use AI. If you want the API key, then go to the Fastlane Business Forum. I'll link in the description. It is $9 a month. But for $9 a month, you have unlimited API, that is computing power, inference. That is pretty cheap, especially when OpenGPT and Anthropic are asking you for $20 a month as a minimum, and it's not unlimited with them. There is a fair use policy, and it's first come, first serve. So the link is in the description. Fastlane Business Forum. Thank you for listening. If you like what you hear, what you heard, and you found it useful, then make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Tell us in the comment section why you gave us a thumbs up or thumbs down, and in the comment section let's get an H. Actually, no. Let's give me a quotation mark, a single quotation mark. We'll immortalize this moment, and give me a single quotation mark in the comment section to let us know that you listened to the end. Thank you very much, and goodbye.